It is known that over 65% of the world's population search for answers to their problems on YouTube. So my question for you is, what problem do you solve? Hello, my name is Tope Aghomatse. I'm a marketing professional, social media consultant, YouTube specialist, and I warmly welcome you to my channel. Are you an entrepreneur, a coach, a consultant, or a business-minded content creator, and you've been thinking of starting and growing a YouTube channel to increase your visibility and grow your business? Or do you currently have a YouTube channel that you have been trying to grow for several months or even years, and it just feels like you are in a fix? I've got good news for you. After 3 years of helping a couple of individuals and organizations grow successfully on YouTube, I finally decided to create this brand new channel for you to share with you my strategies, all for free. On this channel, I'll be posting weekly videos and sharing with you my hottest strategies to help you start right, get more views, get more subscribers, and of course, grow your business and get more sales, all from your YouTube channel. I'll also be sharing with you tools and resources that would help you optimize your channel, your content, and of course, your results. My mission is to help you multiply your visibility, influence, income, and impact through the world's second largest search engine, YouTube. If this sounds great to you, then start now by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in my next video, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it.